Welcome to today's demonstration on digital forms. Today I'll be running through our job scheduler. Now the job scheduler has effectively been created to allow for management of any type of job that comes into the business and that needs to be scheduled out to staff within a certain time frame. So I'm just going to create just a quick job just as an example to show you the process from start to finish. So we've just gone and created selected add for a new job, and let's go, the title is install electrical switch for light. Description is install switch, and the note is in the third bedroom. As an example, you can have any description or notes there that you'd like. Purchase order, let's just leave that blank for now, but if your customer's given you a purchase order, you can record that here. Let's select the customer, which would be, these would be your customers in your database. The site, so this customer has two sites. We're just going to select the Gold Coast site. Now I'm just going to not put anything in the information here for schedule, and we're doing that so it puts it into the schedule as a pending job, and I'll just show you the reason why we would do that. Now let's select the form to be submitted. So let's just go, it's going to be a standard electrical job. Let's hit next. That then presents the form that can be filled out by the field staff. So we can go show form here. So just go install electrical switch. This effectively pre-fills out the form for the field guys so they don't have to duplicate data. But let's just leave all of the information here blank for this example. And let's save that and go to scheduler. So what that's done is that's brought the job over here in the pending job. So just think about it this way. So if you have someone who answers the phone all day and all they're doing is collecting job information for, that has to be scheduled out, they would then enter all of those jobs in, and that would sit in the pending jobs section here. That would allow a manager or the job scheduler to go through and schedule all those jobs out to the staff. So let's just go for tomorrow's example, because we'll just select Ben Lannister. He's what I'll use on the mobile app login over here. So let's say that job there is going to go on to Ben for 1:30 tomorrow. So all I do is I've just clicked and dragged that job onto there. I need to extend that job out, so that's going to go from 1:30 to 3 o'clock. And because Ben wants to work late as well, let's give him another job over here as well. So he's going to start that next one at 5 o'clock. So there's some rules in here as well that you can't assign a job at the same time. So you've got all the, obviously all the logic that sits in there as well. What you can do is you can select the information button here, which opens up the job information. You can assign multiple staff to one job as well if you like. You would obviously select who's going to be the form submitter. So in this case here, it's going to be Ben, so it would only appear on Ben's mobile app. Vehicles, if you have vehicles, you would select that there as well. You can also open up the job and edit from this button here, but let's just keep that just as simple for now. Okay, so what we would do is, now I'm the scheduler, I'm happy with all of those job assignments. Let's just put this job over here so there's no pending jobs left. Make that a little bit bigger. Now, all the colours can be coordinated to whatever colour you want. I'll show you how to change that in a second. And let's just go and send all of the notifications out for all of those jobs for that day. So let's go select all. There's obviously jobs in here from previous days, but you get what I mean. Hit send. That has then sent all of those jobs. Actually, sorry, no, it hasn't. I've got a lot in here that I've got to go through and select and then send. Okay, so I've just now sent a lot of emails out to all of the staff, and I'll just go back. Now I'm just going to log in on the right hand side here on the app, just to show you what that now looks like. 1, 2, 4. Log in. So that's the email that I've just received to say that I've had a new job assigned to me, just at the top there. So let's just clear those out, and there's all the other job notifications that are going to come through as well. Okay, now that's the one here that I've just selected, so let's do that one tomorrow. I'll go view, and then I can start the job. Now I'm just going to show you quickly the actual profile of the company and show you how you can actually change the color. So if you just go into the settings here, this is the job scheduler, so we can change the color. So that was that yellow color. I don't know why anyone would have that. So let's just say for pending job you wanted it to be an orange color. So let's just select that there. You can change the color. So any pending, open job that hasn't been assigned would be as an orange color there. Let's go started. Let's say, hey, we don't want it to be red. Let's say green is for started job. Let's change that there. Completed, let's keep that as blue. Cancelled, let's call cancelled red. So again, obviously everyone's got their own colour preference for job statuses. And then archive, let's keep that as purple. Let's go update. And let's quickly just jump back to the scheduler and let's have a look at what that looks like now with all the new colour themes. There we go. And tomorrow. That's the new colours there. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for your time.